Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to change Pokemon Go location. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So basically here in Pokemon Go, as you can see, that we are only stuck in one location and I can't move or whatsoever. All I can do is just stay in a position while staying on my chair right now. But we can change that by doing so. So this method only works for Androids, and I'll just show you how. So the first thing you have to do is also have an Android device, but I'll just switch devices right now. So basically to do that, the thing that we're telling you where you change your Pokemon Go location is basically this, PG Sharp. So you just download it, there's no root required, just install it and connect your account that you're using in Pokemon Go, and note this only works for Android. So once you have done that, you can basically change your location there. So I'll just show you a sample of what you can do also in there. So as you can see here that you can also change your location here in PG Sharp. So I'm going to show you that you can move forwards, sideways and backwards. So to change location here, you're going to go to your map and you're going to see a world map right here. You can change location wherever you want. As you can see, I'm in Hawaii right now. So let's just say you want to go to France or something. You want to go to Barcelona, teleport, and basically you're right there. It's pretty simple to use. PG Sharp, pretty simple. As you can see, I can teleport, walk by tapping, and there you go guys. That's just how you use the PG Sharp, and that's how you get to new location on Pokemon Go without anything else. Thank you for watching this video, and see you again next time.